Hey my natural beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's Taya here. To all my new subscribers, welcome to you and I'm so glad that you're here. I'm glad that you subscribed to me. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this makeup look and also how I got my messy top knot bun. And both these things are perfect for summer, and what makes this look so perfect for summer is the fact that it's incorporating very bold colors. And I got this inspiration for this look from these two liquid eyeliners that I bought yesterday. They were very cheap, but they're very good, and I don't even know like which brand this. It's a YH Bija Cosmetics, I don't know, but I think they're really nice, and it's just a lime green and a gold one. So I tried to incorporate lime green and gold in the inner tear duct and just some purple on the lower lash line. Very vibrant, very nice colors, perfect for summer because we're doing more activities in the summer and we need more bold looks, you know, to draw the attention, So I finished it off with a matte red lip, and on my cheeks I'm wearing like a pink blush, a mineralized pink blush. No, a mineralized eyeshadow that has shimmer in it. I use that as my blush today because it just gives the face a nice glow. And since you already have a lot going on the eyes, you still want a nice subtle look on the side. So for my top knot bun, this is perfect for summer because a lot of the times it's very hot and you want the hair to be out of your face. So I just made it a little bit more elegant by just taking out two side pieces here. And I just think it gives it a nice little elegant touch. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you do enjoy the video, give the video a thumbs up. If you have any requests for me, you can leave them in the comment section below. Any videos that you guys would like me to make or any questions that you may have, you can leave them down there as well. And also don't forget to follow me on my social networks, namely Twitter, Instagram and Facebook. Go on over and like the Facebook fan page. It's Naturally Miss Taya, and all the links are Naturally Miss Taya, and they will be in the description bar below. So yeah, I hope you guys are having a wonderful summer, and I'll see you guys in my next video. By the way, if you're not already subscribed, go on ahead and click the subscribe button. It should be over here or over here, not really sure, but I love you guys and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah. So I'm starting off this eye look by first priming my eyes, and I'm using this NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk, and this is just going to act as a really nice base for the eyeshadow to give it to something to stick to, and also just to make the colors pop a little bit more. So I'm just blending this all over my lid and all the way up to my brow bone. The key to having nice popping colors when you're using vibrant colors is to use a really nice white base. Next, I'm just going to be taking this green pencil and I'm just going to be applying that to the back of my hand, and this is so that I can pick it up with this synthetic brush and just apply it all over my mobile lid. This is going to act as a base for another eyeshadow that I will be applying in a bit. Next, I'm taking Nutmeg by Irie Cosmetics, and this is going to be my transition color. It's just like a nice reddish brown, and I'm going to be applying that all over my crease, concentrating it on the tail part of my brow. And I'm going to go in with this black and just follow that up right on the crease, right at the edge on the outside of the crease, just to give the look a little bit more depth. Next, I'm going into my Miss Doozie palette, one of my favorite palettes, and I'm going to be taking that lime green and I'm going to be applying that with the synthetic brush all over the area where I had applied the green pencil, and of course that was just acting as a base. So I'm just packing that color on, and right beside that one is a gold. I'm going to be taking that eyeshadow and popping that right in my inner tear duct area just to add some life to the look. Taking my glitter liners, I'm just going to be applying them all over the areas where they have their respective colors. I'm taking the lime green one first and I'm just applying it all over the area with the lime green eyeshadow, and then I'm going to take the gold one and apply that all over the area with the gold eyeshadow as well. It doesn't show on camera, but these liners, they do have glitter in them. I'm so sorry it doesn't show on the camera because the light was like way too bright outside, but yeah. Next, I'm taking this mauve plum pencil and I'm just going to be lining my lower lash line with that, and after which I'm going to just be setting that with a purple eyeshadow from the same Miss Doozie palette. Next, using NYX's milk pencil again. I'm going to be lining my waterline, and then I'm going to be using this tan color as my brow bone highlight from this 12 color MAC palette. And on top of that, I'm going to be using this light gold shimmer from the palette as well. I'm just going to be putting that right on top of that tan color right under the tail of my brow. So I'm just lining my upper lash line now with a regular pencil, and after that I'm going to go over it with my liquid liner, and I'm going to be winging that all the way out for a nice dramatic wing. And of course, I'm going to be applying some mascara to my lashes. If you're wondering, I am wearing my Remy lash extensions, and I will definitely be adding falsies. So you just want to add the mascara to your top and bottom before you put the falsies on. And of course, I'm going to blend this in by just applying another coat of mascara to the false lashes, just to blend them with my own lashes. Next, of course, I'm going to highlight my face. You guys know this is a must for me, but this is not a detailed video because I already have my foundation routine up. So if you guys want to see the detailed highlights and contour video and foundation video, I will be linking it in the description bar for you. So of course, I'm just setting my face with my black Opal finishing powder in medium, and I'm just going to set my entire face with my pressed powder just to get a nice crisp look. For blush, I'm using this baked eyeshadow in Must Have Fuschia, and it's by Milani Cosmetics, and I'm applying that to the high points of my cheeks. This is going to give me a really nice glow and a nice wash of color. And of course, the lips are very simple. I'm just lining it with my favorite red lip pencils, and I'm using Airwoman's red lip pencil, and I'm going over that with NYX's Plush Red, and that is all I do for my makeup. Okay, so on to this hair tutorial. Of course, I'm starting out on stretched hair. This is a very old twist out. I did this like a lot of days ago, and I like to do my styles on stretched hair because I do get better results that way. So I want to begin first by just putting my hair into a high puff. If you guys are familiar, then you would have seen my high puff tutorial already, but if you guys want a more detailed explanation, I will be linking that tutorial in the description bar. The key to a nice high top knot bun is how high you can get the hair, and that's what gives it its top knot effect. So unlike the regular donut bun, I'm just going to be finding the center at the back, and instead of wrapping over and under, I'm just going to be wrapping the hair all around itself as tight as I possibly can and secure it with some bobby pins. And of course, I'm going to be needing my edges to be laid a bit, even though it is a messy style. So I'm just misting my hair with water and smoothing that through. And of course, I'm going to be needing to have some hold. So as my holding products, I'm using the Jamaican Mango and Lime Locking Firm Wax. And this is just going to give me a nice fragrance to the hair and a nice hold that won't be too tight. So I'm taking just a little bit, you don't need a lot, about that amount, and I'm just going to be rubbing it into my hands and then smoothing it onto the hair at the roots. I'm adding a little more water just to get a little more laid look and just to activate the product some more. For my edges, I'm using the Argan Oil Perfect Edges by Creme of Nature, and I'm just going to be applying that to my extreme edges and just brush that in. Even though it is a messy style, you do need to have your edges a little laid. That feel relieving, cause you wipe on the top and make me feeling like rub up on the thighs, me want feel the ride. When the skin collide, when the feeling right, she turn on, twist me till you this. Tell her body feel good, tell her me where your body was so. Now when all of that is done, you're going to need to tie your hair. So I'm just going to get this scarf and just tie it around the hair, not too tight because this will give you a migraine. And after a few minutes, you are going to be able to take it off after about 5 minutes or so, and your edges should be nice and laid. But I'm going to add a nice effortless touch to this by just taking out some side pieces. I think it gives it a more elegant, effortless look. And just play around with it a little bit until you are satisfied, and this is what you should have when you're done. So I really hope you guys enjoy this tutorial, and I will definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.